BMW just pulled the curtain back on something that sounds like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, a self-healing supercar that literally fixes its own scratches. And no, this isn't some cheap touch-up trick or dealership magic. We're talking about advanced surface technology that can repair minor damage on its own. No body shop, no repaint, no waiting. Just drive and let the car handle it. For years, BMW has been pushing the limits of innovation, from carbon fiber construction to laser headlights and fully digital cockpits. But this time, they've gone beyond performance and luxury. They've attacked one of the biggest pains of supercar ownership: paint damage. Every owner knows the fear: a tiny scratch in a parking lot, a swirl mark from washing, a stone chip on the highway. Normally, that means stress, money, and time. But BMW's new self-healing coating changes the game completely. The idea is brilliantly simple, yet incredibly advanced. The body panels are coated with a specially engineered polymer layer that reacts to heat and environmental conditions. When small scratches appear, the material essentially reflows at a microscopic level. With exposure to sunlight or mild warmth, the surface smooths itself back out. The scratch fades. The finish returns. It's like the car remembers what it looked like before the damage happened and resets itself. This isn't the first time BMW has experimented with self-healing materials. But now, the technology feels real, usable, practical, and potentially revolutionary for high-end performance cars. And make no mistake, this is not just about convenience. In the supercar world, paint perfection is everything. Owners obsess over gloss levels, ceramic coatings, and paint protection films. A flawless finish isn't just aesthetic. It affects resale value, brand perception, and even aerodynamics at extreme speeds. A self-healing surface means fewer imperfections over time. It means your car can stay showroom fresh without constant maintenance. What makes this even more impressive is how seamlessly it integrates into the design language BMW is known for. Think aggressive lines, wide stances, sculpted air intakes, and dramatic lighting signatures. Now imagine all of that wrapped in a surface that actively protects itself. It's not just aggressive, it's intelligent. The supercar itself is rumored to sit at the top of BMW's performance lineup, possibly drawing inspiration from legends like the BMW M1, but infused with modern hybrid or fully electric power. BMW has been steadily evolving its performance division under the M badge, blending electrification with raw power. If this self-healing technology lands in a halo model, it could signal a new era for the M division, where performance meets durability in ways we've never seen before. Imagine taking your supercar out for a spirited drive on a mountain road. Gravel kicks up, tiny marks hit the paint. Normally, you'd wince. Now, you park it in the sun. By the time you grab coffee, those micro abrasions begin to disappear. The car heals. It's almost alive. And that's the bigger story here. BMW isn't just building faster cars. They're building smarter materials. In a world shifting towards sustainability and longevity, a self-healing surface reduces repainting, lowers material waste, and extends the life of premium finishes. That's innovation that actually matters. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Industry insiders suggest this technology could eventually trickle down from a flagship supercar to high-performance sedans, and even electric models like the BMW i7. Imagine daily driving a luxury EV that shrugs off minor cosmetic damage as if it never happened. That's not just futuristic, that's practical luxury. And let's talk about the psychological impact. Owning a supercar is thrilling, but it can also be stressful. You park far away from everyone else. You worry about tight spaces. You panic at the sight of a shopping cart. A self-healing finish changes that ownership experience entirely. It adds confidence, freedom. It lets drivers actually enjoy their machines instead of constantly protecting them. Of course, there are limits. Deep gouges and major dents won't magically disappear. This isn't superhero metal, but for the everyday scratches that slowly ruin a car's perfection, this is a serious breakthrough. And knowing BMW, this is only the beginning. They rarely introduce a technology without expanding on it. If this self-healing supercar delivers on performance the way BMW traditionally does, blistering acceleration, razor-sharp handling, cutting-edge aerodynamics, while also eliminating one of the biggest ownership headaches, it could redefine what we expect from premium performance vehicles. It's not just about speed anymore. It's about resilience, intelligence, evolution. And the question everyone is asking right now is simple. If BMW can make paint that fixes itself, what's next? Self-repairing interiors? Adaptive body panels that change airflow in real time? Materials that resist wear for decades? Because if this reveal tells us anything, it's that BMW isn't thinking small. They're reimagining what a car surface can do. And when a brand with BMW's engineering heritage makes a move like this, the rest of the industry doesn't ignore it. They respond. Competitors watch closely. Because the moment drivers experience a car that heals itself, going back to traditional paint might feel outdated. But there's another layer to this story that most people aren't talking about yet, and it could be even bigger than the self-healing technology itself. Because this isn't just about scratches, it's about control. When a company like BMW develops a material that can actively respond to its environment, it opens the door to something far more powerful: adaptive surfaces. Today, it heals light abrasions. Tomorrow, it could adjust texture for aerodynamics. It could subtly shift thermal properties to manage heat from high-performance braking systems. It could even integrate microsensors directly beneath the coating to monitor structural integrity in real time. Think about that for a second. A supercar that doesn't just look flawless, it constantly evaluates itself. The paint isn't passive anymore. It becomes part of the engineering ecosystem. And in a performance machine where every gram, every curve, and every airflow channel matters, that integration is massive. Now imagine pairing that with electrified performance. BMW's recent high-output hybrid systems have already shown that raw power and efficiency can coexist. A self-healing supercar built on a next-generation electric or hybrid platform would represent a complete rethink of durability in the high-performance world. Electric torque is instant, acceleration is brutal, but traditionally, high performance also means higher wear. If the exterior can maintain itself, it reinforces the idea that this machine is built for repeated hard use, not just display. And let's talk design impact. Supercar buyers crave exclusivity. They want something that feels years ahead of everything else on the road. A self-healing exterior isn't just practical, it's a conversation starter. It's technology you can actually demonstrate. Someone notices a faint mark. You smile. Park it in sunlight. Wait. Watch it fade. That's the kind of real-world magic that makes headlines. BMW understands spectacle. They've always balanced engineering credibility with bold statements. From carbon fiber chassis innovations to their laser lighting experiments, they push materials as much as horsepower. This self-healing development fits perfectly into that philosophy. It's not flashy for no reason, it solves a real-world problem in a futuristic way. And here's where things get even more interesting. If this coating technology becomes scalable, it could disrupt the entire aftermarket protection industry. Paint protection film, ceramic coatings, frequent detailing services. A factory-applied, intelligent surface could reduce dependence on those solutions. That means BMW wouldn't just be selling a car, they'd be redefining long-term ownership economics in the supercar segment. That's a bold move. Because the supercar world thrives on maintenance rituals. But what if perfection became more automatic? What if the car preserved its own value over time? Resale markets would shift. Collector appeal would evolve. A 10-year-old model that still looks factory fresh without extensive repainting would change how enthusiasts think about aging performance cars. And there's also the competitive ripple effect. Brands across Germany, Italy, and even Silicon Valley are aggressively innovating in materials science. But being first to market with a functional, production-ready self-healing finish in a supercar sets a psychological benchmark. Suddenly, buyers will expect more than horsepower figures. They'll expect smart surfaces. The bigger picture is that automotive innovation is no longer just under the hood. It's in the materials, the chemistry, the microscopic engineering layers most drivers never see. BIMLA is signaling that the battlefield for the next decade isn't only about 60 times. It's about intelligence embedded into every panel. And if this supercar pairs that self-healing skin with extreme performance numbers, sub-3 second acceleration, advanced torque vectoring, adaptive suspension tuned for both track and street, then it won't just be revolutionary in one category. It'll dominate headlines across all of them. But there's one detail that could elevate this even further: customization. Imagine exclusive color options that not only look deep and dynamic, but are engineered specifically for optimal self-repair performance. Metallic finishes that realign perfectly after surface abrasions. Matte coatings that regenerate without gloss inconsistencies. That level of refinement would redefine premium paint technology entirely. And the more you think about it, the more you realize this is a glimpse into a future where cars become less fragile and more resilient. Performance vehicles have always required careful ownership, but resilience adds freedom. Freedom adds usability, and usability broadens the appeal of supercars beyond collectors and into the hands of drivers who actually want to push them. Yet despite all this excitement, one massive question still hangs in the air. How far can BMW take this technology in its first production form? Is this just the beginning phase? A preview of something far more advanced waiting in development labs right now? Because if today's version heals minor scratches with sunlight, what happens when the next generation reacts instantly, without waiting, without heat, without any visible trigger at all? What happens when the surface becomes proactive instead of reactive? When it doesn't just fix damage, it prevents it before it fully forms. That's the direction this is pointing toward. And if BMW is already revealing a production-ready self-healing supercar, you can bet their R&D teams are already working on version 2 and version 3. Imagine nanotechnology embedded within the clear coat. Microcapsules that rupture and instantly reseal when disturbed. Polymers that realign at the molecular level the second friction is detected. No sunlight required. No waiting period. Just instant correction. That kind of advancement wouldn't just protect aesthetics, it would redefine material durability in the automotive world. And here's something even bigger. This technology could dramatically change how we think about long-term ownership costs. Supercar repainting is expensive. Color matching is complex. Even small imperfections can require entire panel refinishing. But if minor cosmetic damage becomes self-resolving, maintenance budgets shrink. Downtime disappears. Owners spend more time driving, less time repairing. That shift changes perception. Because traditionally, supercars are seen as delicate. Powerful, yes. Beautiful, absolutely. But fragile. This new generation flips that narrative. It says you can have brutal performance and intelligent resilience in the same machine. And speaking of performance, let's not forget what BMW is capable of when it builds a halo model. Look back at icons that pushed boundaries in their time. The engineering philosophy has always centered around precision, balance, and driver engagement. If this self-healing exterior wraps around a chassis engineered with lightweight composites and next-generation aerodynamics, we're not just looking at a technology showcase. We're looking at a statement piece. There's also a branding impact here. In a world where electric hypercars and AI-driven vehicles are grabbing headlines, BMW is choosing to innovate in a way that's visible and tangible. You can see it. You can test it, you can scratch it lightly, and watch it recover. That's a powerful marketing tool because it demonstrates intelligence without needing to explain software architecture or battery chemistry. And the ripple effect doesn't stop at supercars. Think about BMW's broader lineup: performance sedans, luxury SUVs, high-performance EVs. If this coating proves durable in extreme conditions, heat cycles, cold climates, high-speed debris impact, it could slowly filter down into mainstream premium models. That's how transformative technologies spread. First exclusive, then aspirational, then expected. And here's another angle most people haven't considered: sustainability. Repainting requires materials, solvents, labor, and energy. Multiply that across thousands of high-end vehicles over years of ownership, and the environmental footprint adds up. A self-healing surface reduces repaint frequency. That reduces waste. That supports long-term sustainability goals without compromising luxury. It's innovation that aligns with modern industry pressure. But let's get back to the emotional side, because that's what really sells supercars. It's not just the numbers, it's the feeling, the drama, the presence. Now imagine owning a machine that feels almost alive, one that repairs itself, maintains its own appearance, and evolves with environmental exposure. That adds a futuristic aura no traditional vehicle can match. Picture this scenario. You're at a high-end car meet, crowds gather, cameras flash. Someone notices a faint swirl mark from earlier in the day. Instead of apologizing or brushing it off, you calmly explain the technology. The sun hits the panel. Minutes pass. The mark softens, then fades. That's not just engineering, that's theater. And BMW knows how to blend theater with engineering credibility. That balance is what separates a flashy concept from a legitimate innovation. The key question now is production scale. How durable is this coating under repeated healing cycles? How many times can the material restore itself before performance degrades? Because longevity will determine whether this becomes a novelty or a revolution. Early reports suggest the polymer structure is engineered for repeated micro repairs without significant breakdown. If that proves true in real-world testing, we're witnessing the birth of a new automotive standard. One where surfaces aren't static, they're dynamic. And think about what this means for collectors. Traditionally, preserving original paint is everything. A factory finish in perfect condition commands premium value. But what if the factory finish can maintain itself over decades? What if a limited run BMW Supercar in 2036 still carries its original self-restoring surface without signs of age? That changes the collector equation entirely. And if BMW integrates this with advanced lighting systems, aerodynamic panels, and performance electronics that communicate across the vehicle network, we're entering an era where materials, software, and mechanical engineering operate as one unified intelligence. But here's the twist that could make this even more disruptive. What if BMW decides not to limit this to just one flagship model? What if this reveal is a strategic signal, a preview of a broader materials revolution across the brand's future lineup? Because when a company invests heavily in breakthrough chemistry like this, it's rarely for a single car. And if that's the case, then what we're seeing right now isn't just the debut of a self-healing supercar, it's the first chapter in an entirely new design philosophy that could spread faster than anyone expects. A philosophy where the car is no longer a static object, but a responsive machine, where materials adapt, where surfaces react, where ownership feels different from day one. And if BMW fully commits to this direction, the shockwaves could be massive. Because think about the competitive pressure this creates. Brands like Porsche, Ferrari, and Tesla are constantly battling for technological dominance. Some focus on electrification, some chase lap times, some bet on autonomous systems. But BMW just introduced something that drivers can physically witness: a visible, living innovation.